Hi, good morning. Paul here, Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. It is June 6th. Let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market. Let's go into new listings here. Price point, days on market. Okay, looks like the lowest priced one that came on today was a condo over on Kensington Palace. Unit number 3, 1220 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a garage, 2006 built. Okay, part of a triplex. Okay. Looks like it's just refurbished. Okay. Kensington Palace. Craig and Commerce. Okay. Alright. So let's go to this one. Rancho Bel Air. Oh, $800,000 for a 4,300 square foot, 4 bedroom, 3 bath. 2-car garage, pool, spa, built in 1980, single family home. Well, that looks nice. Interesting. This has been on the market a while, I think. Yep, this was on the market last year too. Didn't sell apparently. Yep, back on this year. Hopefully they'll have better luck this year. And Rancho Bel Air is a older neighborhood, but very nice, large lots. As you can see, right off of Rancho in the 95 there. Close to the strip. The strip is right over here. And Fremont Street is right here somewhere. Anyway, let's go to yesterday. We got a 2 bedroom, 1 bath condo, 800 square feet, over on Venus. Interesting. Nice and clean. Well, that refrigerator doesn't give you much room between that and the counter space. Looks like the dishwasher's missing too. A couple of panorama shots there. Cheyenne and 15 North, yeah. Okay. And let's go to the next one. Which is Soaring Bird, $3 million, 7,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 7 baths, 2-car garage, pool, spa, built in 07. That's pretty nifty. It's curved, and the whole thing opens up to the outside. Curved glass, boy. Nice area there, separate spa and bath. We got something over here too, like a little oh, there's a basketball court. Okay. Big lot. huh? It's quite a shower. Master shower. Okay, just as a shot of it, because it's only this wide. Because that makes it look like it's like 10 feet wide. Wet bar. Wonder why that's hanging out. Shouldn't be in the picture like that. Nice wine cellar. Pretty darn nice. Okay, so that's that. Let's go over here and see 13, 10, 800, no, 703 properties in contract. Boy, that jumped up a lot. A lot of activity in the last few days. Let's see, 6-6 today. One single family home closed. Will report it today. Okay, it's nice. Two-story home. What was it? 310,000, I think, is what I saw, or was it 275? Nice and clean. Just basic house, covered patio. That's nice. One deck up here. 310. Okay. Yesterday we had Pirates Cove, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, close, upstairs unit. Pretty clean. Curious on this one. 1031 exchange. Okay. This is a $3.5 million, 7,800 square foot, 5-bedroom, 7-bath, 4-car garage, pool, and spa. Very contemporary. Wow. It's got a view for that price. Got some lovely grounds, but I hope it's got a view. Beautiful house. I don't see a view. Nice drone shots. Oh, okay, it's on the lakes, that's why. Got some water here, or a dock. Okay, here we go. So it's over in the lakes. Lake Sahara. Alright. Okay. So, that is done. Let me do a little checking here about pool homes. We've got 9.5 minutes, or almost 10 minutes here. 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Single family, private pool. since it hit 100 for the first time this year yesterday. 42 in contract. That's not a lot. Didn't jump up. People weren't out. They're probably out buying by the end of the week. We'll see what happens. We got a quick CMA here. Find out what they're doing. Overall, median 402, average 542, by $2,275 a square foot, and $187 a square foot. Okay, well, that is all we've got today. So thanks for joining me, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.